Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to make $200 on Amazon with different ways. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the different ways to make $200 on Amazon. Now this is going to be a ton of different ways. You can make more, you can make less. It really depends on you, what amount of your work you're willing to put in. But, you could absolutely make way more than $200. So with that being said, we're going to start off with the most obvious one, and then we're going to get on to the least obvious one, some of them that people may not know anything about. So, make sure that you stick until the end, even though you probably know a few of these in the beginning. So with that being said, the very first one is Amazon FBA. So Amazon FBA is where you order a product, mostly from China, I believe, and you get it sent to Amazon. So maybe you have your own, own branding on the package and everything like that. But it gets sent to Amazon, and as soon as somebody orders something from Amazon, they take care of the shipping, and you get your sales. So you sell whatever you want basically, or there's probably some stuff that you can't sell on Amazon, but you can sell most of the things that you see online, and sell it on Amazon, and then you make some money if you make some sales. So the problem with Amazon FBA is it does cost a bit of money. It does cost, to get started, I believe like $1,000 or somewhere around that. There's some tools that you need. You need to order your product, and make sure that you don't run out of anything, because that's what happens with Amazon. If you run out of items to sell, then you're going to go down in the rankings and you're not going to make very much money. So that's the very first way. The second way is to publish a Kindle book. So that's kind of known, but not very much. But you can actually write a book for like a Kindle book and actually sell it. So some of the people that actually sell Kindle books don't even write the books. They get someone from Upwork, they tell them to write the book, then they send it to Amazon, and then you have a Kindle. So you don't even have to write a book or anything like that. Some people do. If you're passionate about something and you know quite a few things, then you could write the book yourself. But a lot of people don't even write their books. They just get someone to write it, and sell it online. So you can make quite some money. I've heard people that have made like hundreds of thousands of dollars just by doing that and not even writing the book or anything. Basically, like, it's hardly any work. So that's something that you could do. I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to get some sales, but you absolutely could. So the next one is Amazon Handmade. So I'm sure that a lot of people have not heard about that. It's just something where you could sell something that you made by yourself. So maybe you're doing bracelets that you want to sell, or all these different items that you handmade, basically items that you want to do. So maybe you're into sewing and you could do that. It's kind of like Etsy, but the difference is it's Amazon, and that's a big deal, because the fact that it's Amazon, you have access to millions and millions of customers every single day that might want to buy something from you with handmade. So Amazon Handmade, if you do anything with your own hands, like I said, just bracelets, or maybe you like sewing, or you name it. If you do things with your own hands, you could absolutely do, Amazon Handmade and make quite a bit of money, because you know, you have access to a lot of people. So the next one that I want to talk about is my favorite one, and I talk about this all the time on this channel, but not specifically on Amazon, and that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is something that's, you know, huge, that you can make millions and millions of dollars if you do it right. And hear me with this, if you don't do it right, you'll probably make like very, very little money, like cents. Like if you're trying to sell like books or something, basically if you don't know affiliate marketing, that's where, you know, you get a commission if you promote somebody else's product. So maybe you want to promote a book, but the problem is, you know, Amazon has very, very small commissions. So if you try to sell a book, you'll get like cents for promoting that book and getting a sale for somebody that's selling the book. However, if you sell something like an Xbox, a TV, a PlayStation, you know, a fridge, you know, a computer, all these different things are quite expensive. So even though you might get a small commission from it, you actually could make like $200 on one single sale, or $1,000, because these are, you know, very, very expensive. So even though you get a small commission, you actually could get quite a bit of money. So, you know, that's something that you really have to be aware of, especially on Amazon, is do not sell things that, you know, you get very small commissions. You want to sell items that have a lot of, you know, money that you can make of. So, you know, if you're interested in Amazon affiliate marketing, or affiliate marketing in general, I talk about this quite a bit on this channel. So you can like click, I'll try and put a video up here on, you know, how to, if you want to get more into depth and how to actually do this. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.